matching, black and white, huh? You want to say hi to the boys and girls there? Huh? This is one of the prettiest cows I've ever seen, boys and girls. Yes, you are. You're so sweet and kind, too. Especially with your babies. Especially with your babies. Move for me. That's it. Yes. Move for me. Ooh, that's a good move. Come here, Mr. Goat. Come here and say hi. He's trying to eat. There's hardly nothing left in the bin. Food bin. Hey, Mr. Goat. Hi, Mr. Goat. Hi. Now it's her turn. You gonna go next? Hi again. It's an Angora goat, boys and girls. She's a real sweetie. Ooh, nibble, nibble, nibble. Ooh, nibble, nibble, nibble. Yes, you. Look at those eyes. Can you see her eye? Ooh, yeah, she likes my finger. Yeah, you're such a sweetie. I love you too. Oh, hi. 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 Yes. Oh, look, boys and girls. Yes, I like you too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You're such a sweetheart. Yeah. Do you want to say hi to boys and girls? Yes, you're an Angora goat. Let's hear an Angora goat. Boys and girls, there, you're a nice brown and white calf. Yes, look this way. Look this way. Look this way. Yes, look this way. Look this. Look at the. Oh, he's gonna eat my clothes, boys and girls. Oh, you like my shirt? Oh, is it good? Is it good? Yeah. Wow, you know cows like clothes. I didn't know cows girls. That's a lucky car. Wow, I'm gonna have to wash my clothes, boys and girls. Whoa. Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. Yes. Look at that tongue. Yes, you're a pretty cat. Yes, you are. How old are you? About a month or two? Huh? How old are you? About a month or two? Red Holstein, and she's 4 months old. A month old underneath the heat lamp. Look at them. Yeah, look at them. You do? Are you gonna bawl for me? You gonna bawl for me? Hi, kitty. You're getting big. You're getting big, huh? You're getting big. Yes, you are. You're getting big. Boys and girls, wash your hands with soap and water. You are smarter.